জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
You... What do you mean? Tell me, are you challenging me?
Isn't it clear to you what I mean to say, Sanjukta? You're doing this ceremony with some purpose. My purpose is completely different. You don't want Trineni to return to this house. But I want Trineni to return home. Simple.
What you want doesn't matter to me.
That's nothing new. I didn't expect that either. You pray for your wish, Sanjukta. And let me pray for mine. That's it. That's all.
You can't stop the veneration in this way, Pratima.
Strange. When did I stop it, Sanjukta? I want to do this ceremony because I'm doing this ceremony for their welfare.
Leave that to me. Let me handle Deepu's welfare.
Are you scared, sister?
Scared? Why should I be scared?
Listen, my mom used to say this. She used to say, if someone prays to Lord with bad intention for someone, and if someone else wishes good, Lord only listens to the one who wishes good. Lord never favors someone who wishes ill for others.
Yes, I wish bad for Trineni. Deepu could have been in danger because of her. I can't wish good for her. I don't want to either. I don't fake love like you, Pratima. I can do anything for my son's welfare.
Really? Who wishes good for Deepu? I know everything, sister. I know that. Even if others don't.
What did you say? How dare you say? Stop it! Will you stop it? Why are you fighting among yourselves? Today is an auspicious day. I'm sure something good will happen. The priest is here. Let me check. Please come in, sir. Please come. What is this?
You are here?
I'll come, child. I'll come. Mister, please send them home now. They all stayed back for me over here. Their family members must be worried. Go on.
Dear, you saw them in danger and got out of the car and protected all of them. They too learned from you that if someone is in danger, others shouldn't leave them and run away.
My grandfather says one can't run away from danger. The more you try to run away, the more the danger will chase you in different forms. There will be various kinds of dangers. Therefore, it's better to face the danger. Okay, bye kids. Go back home safely, okay?
Yes, you also go home, ma'am. Your husband is furious. What if he leaves you here?
Don't worry. Where will he go? I won't leave him, even if he leaves me.
Oof. She's getting late again.
Bye.
done saying bye?
Bye.
Listen, we won't stay here any longer. Do you understand? We'll go to your village directly. Please put your seatbelt.
Do you know them? Do you? Why are you so nervous? Who are you? What do you want here?
Mom, they have come with me.
With you?
Yes. They are Trinani's family members. He is Trinani's grandpa, her mother, and her sister. Well, they are here to check on Trinani.
What? You brought them here? Are you mad?
We are here to see our Nayan one sister.
What?
You all, please come inside. Come in.
Looks like Jeet wants to become great. What an absolute fool.
Nayan? Hey Nayan! Where are you?
Have you arranged for a veneration? Has Nayan recovered and came home, Mr. Basu?
No. I mean,
Where is our Nayan's room? And I can't find Dripto either, sister.
Oh my lord! Nayan's in-laws' house is so big, I can't even imagine. Please tell me where Nayan's room is. I'll go and meet her. Please tell me.
Aunt, I have a strong feeling that there will be a problem.
Yes, you're right. Is Nayan getting ready for the ceremony? We shouldn't disturb her then. In that case, we shouldn't disturb her then. Father, when Nayan sees us coming downstairs, then it will be such a surprise for
Keep
her.
quiet. Keep quiet. Stop this nonsense. Why did you bring these uncivilized people here? Have you lost your mind, Jeet? Don't say any other word. Listen, Trinani is not the daughter-in-law of this family. My son never accepted your daughter as his wife, and he doesn't even now. Therefore, we don't accept Trinani. We are not bound to accept her either. She came here from the village and we have thrown her out. This veneration is not to welcome her, but to celebrate that she has left.
You know what? I think we've almost reached the village. I feel we will reach the temple in a while now. Yes, I was right. Do you see the twin palm trees there? Drive through them.
Nayan! Hey, stop the car! Stop the car! Hey, Nayan!
Stop the car, stop the car. Shukla is calling me. Stop the car. Shukla, we met after so long. Wow, you look so beautiful.
You look beautiful too. What happened to your forehead?
That's nothing. I got hurt a little.
Nayan? Nayan, you're married? When did you get married? You didn't even inform me. Is he your husband? Greetings, sir. My name is Shukla. I am Nayan's friend. You know what? Your wife forgot to invite me to your wedding. She ditched me. But I will never forget her. Never. Only I know what she means to me, sir. You know what, sir? The reason I'm alive today, it's only because of her. Nayan not only saved my life, but do you know she also saved my married life? Because of her, do you know I'm happy in my married life today?
My son has taken Trinaini to the village. Therefore, she has left. Now, you people can also leave, please.
Dripto went to the village with Nayan to send her back. So you people threw my daughter out.
Oh no, this Nayan is so useless. Her in-laws are so rich. She couldn't even stay here. Had it been me, they couldn't have thrown me out. She's really an idiot.
Oh Lord, why are you letting them get humiliated like this?
Why are you still here? Don't you understand what I'm saying?
We'll leave for sure when my granddaughter is not here. But Trapabrato, will you apologize again with her long face? Nayan didn't come here to satisfy her greed to become your daughter-in-law. She came here to save your son's life. You couldn't protect her this time either. Then why do you claim that you love her as a daughter? She is humiliated. She is thrown out of the house, but you do nothing about it. Please tell me how many times this will be repeated.
I mean,
You said your son's life was in danger, Mr. Basu. Only Nayan has the power to become his protective shield. You forced them to get married. Nayan only came to do her job, Mr. Basu. Then why?
She had told me, Grandpa, Dripto's life is in danger. Someone will poison him.
How did you know about the poison, Umacharan? Trinani must have informed you over the phone. Am I right?
How can Nayan call us? We don't have a telephone.
You please come in. Come in. Please. Don't get hesitant.
Wait, Tapa brother. Why are you in a hurry? Let me hear what he is saying. You said Trinani had said Deepu's life was in danger and someone wanted to poison him.
She said so. That is why my daughter came to save your son.
Trinani told you about the poison before coming here. But how?
Won't we be able to keep the secret any longer? Dear Lord.
Sir, you're not even aware who your wife is. Do you know what happened on my wedding day?
Don't try to be my wife. I have someone else in my life. I will stay with her at night.
Shukla! 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 Shukla!
I'm not saying this because she's my friend. It's hard to find someone like Nayan.
Come on, Shukla. Don't discuss all this now.
How can I let it be, Nayan? If I don't discuss all this, I'll be ungrateful. When you saved my life that day, do you remember me asking you why you saved me? You could have let me die. Do you remember what you told me that day?
Don't give up, Shukla. Fight back. Fight. Your husband disowned you, but you need to do something so that he accepts you. That too on his own.
You were right, Nayan. You were right. Had I killed myself that day and not paid heed to you, I wouldn't have been happy today. I was defeated and I gave up on life. You not only saved my life, but you also gave me courage. You taught me how to live my life. I'm here today only because of you, Nayan. Only because of you. It was you who taught me how to bring someone back who has gone far away. How to bring someone back who has lost a way. I learned that from you, Nayan. Excuse me. Please come here. Please come and meet Nayan and her husband.
So what, Nayan? Respect doesn't depend on one's age. In fact, whatever you did for the both of us, nowadays no one does that for others. I had lost my way, Nayan. Had you not reasoned with Shukla, she wouldn't have been able to bring me back. Look at Shukla. See how happy she is.